Oil change is raw. It's gritty and unscripted.
You're going to be going back down to OKC today.
It's reality.
I'm worried about that guy with our kids.
When Aquila Productions set out to produce Oil Change, we wanted to produce the most honest and in-depth sports documentary series ever. I want you to all challenge yourself. We're not here making tabloid television, we're telling Oil Change.
Hey, Nick, welcome aboard.
Our cameras were given unprecedented access, and our entire production team worked tirelessly over the past 2 years.
If you make a mistake, everybody sees that. That's the worst thing about it.
There's nothing that makes a fan more happy and more loyal than to see Oil Change.
Best test results I've ever seen on a team this morning. Compliment to you guys.
But they never seen it quite this close ever before. And that is magic.
The whole production company has become a part of the family. It's been natural for us to be mic'd up and to have the camera around, and it became a natural environment which was reproduced for the public to see, and I think that's what made it so attractive. I can't believe we couldn't beat the country every time they put that yellow sweater on.
What a great experience it's been for not only a player, but for all the viewers out there.
Why don't you show me your slap shot? Where's your slap shot?
It's not set up, it's not manufactured, it's something that, is in our daily lives.
Hi, Corey.
Hey, Grandpa.
You guys as a group and as a whole have done an incredible job understanding, when you should talk to us as individuals and as players and when not to, and, it's been a great experience.
This is great. No, we're gonna have fun. We're gonna have fun, man.
It's real. It's the real side.
Like when you go, you gotta go full, eh?
And you can't get reality if you're even more than 10 feet away. You have to be right inside, right in the middle.
You see this as a pair in your mind.
Maybe some synergy because of the European influence between the two.
Let's get back on the winning track.
Through Oil Change, we have become trailblazers in this new genre of sports documentaries. Fans love it. This is for them.